Project Login Stafferin enables admins, mins, managers, and employees to collaborate on site-specific projects. Admins and managers can create and edit entries to track project updates, while employees can view entries and add comments for clarification or updates. Here's a step-by-step guide with expanded examples. 1. Navigate to the project log. Access the project log by going to Team Management, Project Log from the main dashboard. This opens the project log where you can create, view, and manage project entries. 2. Create a new project log entry for admins managers. Click on Create New Entry. This opens the entry form for logging project-specific information. Select Project Site. Choose the relevant site from the drop-down menu. Log entry details. Entry title. Provide a concise title for the project update, e.g., Phase 1 completion or Client Feedback Review. Description. Enter a detailed description of the project update, including completed tasks, pending actions, or key points. Category. Select a relevant category, such as Development, Finance, Operations, or Quality Assurance. Add entry. Click Add Entry to save the update. This entry will be visible to all employees assigned to the specified site. 3. Example entries for admins managers. Entry Example 1. Title: Project Kickoff Meeting. Description: held the kickoff meeting with stakeholders to outline project goals and assign initial tasks. Next steps include gathering requirements and setting milestones. Category: Project Management. Entry Example 2. Phase 1 Completion. Description: completed Phase 1 of the development. This included backend setup and initial UI design. Phase 2 will start on November 15th, focusing on integration and testing. Category: Development. Entry Example 3 title: Client Feedback Review. Description: reviewed client feedback on prototype. Key changes requested include design adjustments and adding a user dashboard. Feedback will be incorporated by the end of this week. Category: Client Relations. Entry Example 4 title: Budget Approval for Marketing Campaign. Description: approved a budget of $50,000 for the Q4 marketing campaign. Ensure that all expenses adhere to the allocated funds and submit reports by December 1st. Category: Finance. Entry Example 5. Quality Assurance Testing. QA team will conduct performance testing over the next 2 weeks to ensure stability and scalability. Report issues through the bug tracking system. Category: Quality Assurance. 4. Search and filter entries. Search by keywords. Use the search bar to quickly find specific entries based on keywords. Filter by site or category. Use filters to narrow down entries by site, category, or date range, enabling easier access to relevant updates. 5. View and comment on project log entries for employees. View entries. Employees assigned to the site can view each project log entry to stay informed on project updates and requirements. Add a comment. Employees can use the comment section under each entry to provide additional information, ask questions, or acknowledge updates. Save comment. Click Comment to save and append the note to the entry. Example comments by employees. Comment for Entry Example 1, reviewing the project goals. I'll gather the initial requirements from the development team and submit them by the end of the day. Comment for Entry Example 2, Phase 1 tasks are complete. Preparing resources for Phase 2 integration work starting next week. Comment for Entry Example 3. Noted the client's design feedback. I'll update the mockups to include the requested dashboard changes by the end of this week. Comment for Entry Example 4. Confirmed budget allocation for the campaign. Will adhere to expense tracking and submit reports by the deadline. Comment for Entry Example 5. QA testing in progress. Will report any performance issues in the bug tracker as testing proceeds. Using this structured approach, admins and managers can provide comprehensive project updates for site-specific teams, while employees can engage with the entries through comments, helping improve project coordination and team communication.